In this tutorial, we're going to set up reminders in bulk. So I'm on a form that is for a secret reader event for a class, and I have these different options of different dates when someone can sign up to be a secret reader. What we want to do is first, as I read the instructions here, the required settings, set the settings below to configure when reminders will be sent. I'm in Eastern time zone. It should default to your time zone based on your browser. And if I want to send this 2 hours before, when I select this, it's going to actually look at the text in the available options and start configuring the reminders to be 2 hours before the time that it reads here. So if this starts at 3 o'clock on the 26th of September, it's going to set September 26th at 1 p.m., 2 hours before this start time. And so it parses through each of these. There were 8 options. And then I can see that all of these reminders were turned on. And I can just check, make sure that they look correctly, make any tweaks to the time slots if I like, but these all look correct. So as I scroll through, everyone who signs up for these options will get a reminder at this specified time. Once I do that and save the reminder settings, then each person gets these. So we'll save these. And now those are all saved. And I go back to my options here. I can see these are active. Email reminders are set to be sent 2 hours before the event. If I go back in here, I can see these are already loaded and turned on, so reminders will be sent. So that's how you set them in bulk, is just pick your time zone, set this. If you want to add a custom message that shows up in the email reminder, you can do that as well.